Hey guys, welcome to Twin Motor Car. The Mahindra Scorpio N has scored a 5-star rating in the latest round of global and gap safety tests. Under the new safety test protocols, however, it gets a 3-star rating in child occupant tests. Let's first talk about the adult occupant crash test rating. Mahindra SUV scored 29.25 points out of the total of 34 in adult occupant protection tests, resulting in a 5-star rating. Testers rated the protection offered by the Mahindra Scorpio N to the drivers and passengers' head and neck as good. However, protection for the drivers and passengers' chest is shown as marginal. As per the new testing procedure, in the side impact test with the deformable barrier, the Scorpio N showed good protection to the occupants with a score of 16 points out of possible 17. The Mahindra SUV received an OK rating for the side pole impact tests. However, the chest region of the occupants got a weak rating. Global and Gap also mentioned that the body shell and the footwell area of the Scorpio N were stable and capable of withstanding further loadings. Now, the second part is child occupant crash test rating. The Scorpio N scored 28.93 points out of 49 in the child occupant protection test, earning a 3-star rating. This includes 4.93 points out of 12 for the CRS child restraint system. Installation and maximum dynamic score of 24. Global and Gap tested the Scorpio N with dummies of an 18-month-old and a 3-year-old child, both seated facing rearward. They were placed in the car using eye-sized anchorages and a sport leg, and both helped in preventing head exposure in a frontal crash. The CRS also offered full protection in a side impact. The testers also noted that the SUV has ISOFIX mounting points in the outer rear seats in the second row. Under the new Global and Gap safety protocols, a vehicle is given a 5-star rating only if it secures the required scores, while also confirming the ESC pedestrian protection, pole side impact, and seat belt reminder requirement of Global and Gap. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for more automobile videos.